In 1963, a chief from the Via LLG in Chimbu was invited to address an audience in Australia. He was a member of the Legislative Council of 1961. Without any formal education and very limited English, he uttered this very profound and visionary statement. I am a chief among my people, but today I stand in front of you like a child. And when I try to speak to you in your language, you laugh at my words. But tomorrow my son will come. He will come to you and he will speak to you in your own language. And this time, you will not laugh at him. Kondo Magindo, 1963, Canberra. So, here is the fulfillment of Kondo Magindo's vision.
Be true. But then when I know that I had a lot of support from young Papua New Guineans, well, I think we should be able to back it. When people sort of slammed me and said I was rather communistic minded, I was rather pinkish or reddish, I was extremely left, that I was a man ahead of my time, I did not dream that I would be able to live through those turmoil days to witness this.
Papua New Guinea's vision was set out in 1973 when the Constitutional Planning Committee laid out a national focus that placed emphasis on the
Happy 45th Independence to you all. God bless Papua New Guinea.